Attention CPAP users. Germs and bacteria can grow inside your reservoir, tubing, and mask. And cleaning them can be an expensive, difficult task. When you need to breathe easy, sleep great, and stay healthy, what you need is Clean Zone, the affordable, portable CPAP cleaner and sanitizer. Just press, and Clean Zone automatically cleans, sanitizes, and eliminates 99% of germs and bacteria from every surface of your CPAP reservoir, tube, and mask in minutes. No water, no added chemicals, no worries. You'll breathe in healthy, clean air and sleep peacefully.
I used to bug him to clean the CPAP machine, and I worried about how dirty it was.
But with the Clean Zone, I just attach it to the tube and within minutes it's clean.
We love the price too.
The secret is activated oxygen that is created by Clean Zone's internal O3 generator. Plus, it's lightweight, compact, and portable.
I looked at other CPAP cleaners, and when I compared quality and price, Clean Zone was my clear choice.
I can sleep with the peace of mind knowing that I'm breathing clean.
Clean Zone works with virtually all make and model CPAP machines. It's powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery and is maintenance-free. Just press, and Clean Zone does the rest.